Unpairing a Tesla keycard means removing its authorization to access and operate your Tesla. This is crucial when a card is lost, stolen, or when you sell your vehicle. It prevents unauthorized access to your Tesla by severing the link between the card and your car's system. As of December 2025, Tesla offers multiple ways to unpair: directly through the car's touchscreen, via the Tesla app, or through your Tesla account online, enhancing both security and user convenience. There are several key reasons to unpair your Tesla keycard. Primarily, it enhances security if your card is lost or stolen, preventing unauthorized access. Secondly, when selling your Tesla, unpairing ensures the new owner cannot use your old keycard. Regular key audits and unpairing of unused cards are also recommended to maintain optimal security. Unpairing is a proactive measure to protect your vehicle from potential theft or misuse. To unpair using the touchscreen, first ensure your car is parked. Navigate to controls, then locks, then keycards. On newer models with Tesla software version 2024.44 or later, go to Security, then Key Management. Select Remove a key card and choose the card you wish to unpair, identified by its custom name or serial number. Confirm your selection on the touchscreen. In some models, the car may require the card to be present for verification. Tesla's mobile app version 5.0 and later allows you to unpair key cards remotely. This method is particularly useful when the card isn't physically available, such as during a remote vehicle sale. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your Tesla account credentials. Navigate to the Vehicles tab in the app. This is where you'll find options for managing your Tesla vehicle settings. From the Vehicles menu, choose Key Management to access options for managing your key cards. Select the specific key card you want to unpair from the list. Cards are typically identified by name or serial number. The app will guide you through a confirmation process to ensure security. Once confirmed, the key card will be unpaired from your vehicle. Remember, you need authenticated access to your Tesla account to perform this action, maintaining the security of your vehicle. Unpairing a Tesla keycard is an important security measure that helps protect your vehicle from unauthorized access. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations to ensure you're fully protected. While unpairing prevents the card from accessing that specific Tesla vehicle, it does not erase the card's stored data. This means the card can still be paired with another Tesla if needed, so it's not permanently disabled. For high-security scenarios, consider using physical verification methods in addition to app-based unpairing. This adds an extra layer of confirmation to ensure only authorized changes are made. Always ensure your Tesla software and app are up to date to take advantage of the latest security features and improvements. Regular updates help maintain the highest level of protection for your vehicle. If you encounter issues unpairing your Tesla keycard, first ensure you have a stable internet connection, especially when using the Tesla app for remote unpairing. Try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen if you're attempting to unpair directly in the vehicle. This can resolve temporary glitches with the interface. Verify that you have owner privileges on the Tesla account, as guest accounts may not have permission to manage key cards. If issues continue, consult Tesla's official support documentation for detailed guides and troubleshooting tips specific to your vehicle model. Check Tesla forums, where other owners share common unpairing problems and user-suggested solutions based on their experiences. As a last resort, contact Tesla service directly for personalized assistance if the troubleshooting steps don't resolve your unpairing issues. Tesla key management is evolving rapidly. The trend is shifting towards digital keys, with increasing reliance on smartphone apps. Industry reports confirm this shift, with Tesla integrating more features into their app for seamless key management. Looking ahead, future developments may include biometric integration, such as facial recognition, potentially replacing physical cards altogether. This is illustrated in diagrams showing how cameras can process facial data to control vehicle access. Advanced biometric interfaces are already being conceptualized, combining digital fingerprints and AI for secure access. Expect more automated unpairing options, especially upon vehicle sale, driven by cybersecurity concerns and AI-driven anomaly detection. Imagine you've lost your keycard. Immediately use the Tesla app to unpair the missing card. This prevents anyone who finds it from accessing your vehicle. After unpairing, you can pair a new card or use your phone as the primary key. This quick action minimizes risk and ensures the continued security of your Tesla. Regularly practice unpairing to familiarize yourself with the process in case of emergencies.